Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study post-Maurya dynasty. After the fall of Mauryan Empire came post-Maurya dynasty. The first one is Sunga dynasty. Sunga dynasty was founded by Pushyamitra Sung. Pushyamitra Sung was the commander-in-chief of last Maurya ruler, Brihadrat, and he killed Brihadrat and established Sunga dynasty. And he was a Brahman, so that this region is also called as rise of Brahmanism. Sunga dynasty founded by Pushyamitra Sung. Polity of him is he did Aswamedh Yagya and it was presided by Patanjali, famous person Patanjali. Patanjali is also writer of Mahabhasya book, and in his reign attack of Bactrian Greeks happened. It is mentioned in Gargi Samhita. Okay, administration, for administration purpose capital was in Patliputra and administration was done by king plus council of minister. Okay, next. And he used designation Senani instead of king designation. He didn't like the designation of king, he used designation Senani. And in art and culture side, Manu Smriti by Manu took final shape in Pushyamitra Sung time. Okay, and last king was Devbhuti, and he was murdered by Vasudev Kanva. Vasudev Kanva was also a Brahman minister. Okay, so Brahmans, then again Kanva dynasty was also Brahmans, Vasudev Kanva. And in between, after Pushyamitra Sung, a famous ruler was Vasumitra, and only important thing is he did two Aswamedh Yagya, and he was grandson of Pushyamitra Sung. So most important in Sunga dynasty is Pushyamitra Sung. What Pushyamitra Sung did, Manu Smriti took final shape and he established Sunga dynasty. And after killing the last king Devbhuti, Vasudev Kanva established Kanva dynasty. Kanva dynasty was also a Brahman dynasty. Founder of it was Vasudev Kanva, and he was ultimately overthrown by Andhras, also known as Satvahana ruler, and his capital was also in Patliputra. Okay, both Sunga dynasty and Kanva dynasty worked from Patliputra, but Kusan were active in North India, Kashmir region, but their kingdom reached till Magad Empire. So that's why third ruler is Kusans, and most famous are Vima Kadphises and Kanishk. Vima Kadphises extended rule up to Bihar. Their rule extended up to Bihar. There was no capital or anything in Bihar, but Kusan ruler Vima Kadphises extended rule up to Bihar, and Kanishk very famous ruler. He believed to rule Magad, and Ashwaghosh was taken away from Patliputra to Kashmir. Ashwaghosh was the same person who presided the fourth Buddhist council which happened in Kashmir. So very important. Ashwaghosh was in Kanishk, King Kanishk council, and he was taken away from Patliputra to Kanishk side. Okay, and source of all this Kusan rule up to Magad, source is numismatics. Numismatics means study of coins, different Kusan coins have been found in Magad region. So we can say that Kusan ruled up to Bihar. Okay, ruled up to Bihar. First dynasty, Sunga dynasty, capital was in Patliputra. Then came Kanva dynasty. Kanva, both capital were Patliputra, but Kusan ruled up to Bihar. Okay, that's the difference. So three dynasty of post-Maurya dynasty are Sunga dynasty, then Kanva dynasty, then Kusan. Okay, after Kusan came the very mighty Gupta ruler, and they made Magad more powerful again. Okay, so not very too much things, only three dynasties, Sunga, Kanva and Kusan, and some one-liners for prelims. Dynasty to rule over Magad after Mauryan Empire fall. So obviously Sunga dynasty established by Pushyamitra Sung. Pushyamitra established Sunga dynasty by removing which Maurya king? So last Maurya king was Brihadrat. He was killed by his commander-in-chief Pushyamitra Sung, who in turn established Sunga dynasty. First Brahman state, rise of Brahmans. First Brahman state to be established in Magad, Pushyamitra Sung. Pushyamitra Sung was a Brahman, and in his time, Manu Smriti took final shape. Attack of Bactrian Greeks happened during whom reign? Pushyamitra Sung. Greeks attacked on India. Last Sunga king and founder of Kanva dynasty, last Sunga king was Devbhuti, and he was killed by his Brahman minister Vasudev Kanva. who established Kanva dynasty. Kanva capital Patliputra, Sunga capital Patliputra. Kanva's dynasty removed by Andhra, or also known as Satvahana kings, in famous in Andhra region. Which Buddhist scholar adorned Kanishkot? To Asughosh. He was also the presiding head of fourth Buddhist council. Okay, so that's all. After this came mighty Gupta Empire, and it will end the Bihar ancient history part. So in this part we have seen post-Mauryan dynasty. After the fall of Mauryan Empire, three dynasty ruled in Bihar, Magad region. First is Sunga dynasty, then Kanva dynasty, then Kusan dynasty. Sunga and Kanva's capital was in Patliputra. Kusan kingdom reached up to Magad. Okay, and famous ruler was Bhima Kadphises, famous for gold coins. And Kanishk believed to rule. Ashwaghosh was taken away in his reign, and during the time of Kanishk, fourth Buddhist council happened. That's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.